Still here in the Philippines. So, pangalawa lang po siya kasi mas malaki pa rin po yung Philippine Eagle.
Yes.
Kasi kapag nasa adult size na yung Philippine Eagle, they can reach their wingspan up to 8 feet. So, yung white-bellied sea eagle naman po is 2.2 meters or 7.2 feet lang po. So, pangalawa lang po siya. Makikita po sila sa coastal areas like Australia, India, and the Philippines. Yung diet naman, fish and crabs. White-bellied sea eagle.
Everyday siya kumakain.
Yes po. And dito po sa zoo, sometimes pinapakain namin siya ng fish and meat, pero frugivore na talaga siya. Means fruits na pinapakain.
Ilang years or months na siya dito?
Matagal na. Simula pa lang pagka-baby nila yung, yung plumage nila yung white.
Okay.
Actually, yung white-bellied sea eagle, yung plumage talaga nila nung maliit pa is colored brown. Hindi talaga siya white. So, kapag medyo lumaki na siya into process, lumabas yung pagiging white-bellied niya.
Okay.
And speaking of eagle, we also have sigbin. So,